Are you sure you've been cleaning your ears the right way? The truth about earwax? It's not gross. Cerumen, otherwise known as earwax, is actually a good thing. In small doses, it lubricates the ear canal and helps protect against dirt and bacteria entering the ear. So how do you know when it's time to clean your ears? Well, if you're experiencing excessive earwax buildup, you may notice symptoms such as difficulty hearing, ear discomfort, or even dirty earbuds. Now let's talk about what not to do. Q-tips are dangerous because they can push that earwax deeper into your ear canal, which in turn can cause a blockage. And watch out, eardrum. The ear canal is only about 1 inch deep, so you don't have to go very far to puncture it. So Q-tips are only safe for cleaning the outer ear, but even then, use a damp washcloth instead. What is the best way to clean your ears? Damp washcloth. This method works wonders for the outer ear. Just gently wipe away any excess earwax and dirt. But remember, never insert anything into your ear canal, your irrigation. This approach is great for softening built-up earwax. First, pour some warm water or saline solution onto a cotton ball. You can also use hydrogen peroxide. Then gently place the cotton ball into your ear and hold it there for a few minutes to allow the liquid to soften the earwax. Tilt your head and let gravity do its work. If needed, you can also use a bulb syringe to gently suck out any remaining liquid in earwax. Over-the-counter ear drops. These drops are helpful, but avoid them if you have a damaged eardrum. And now, let's explore what not to do. Ear candles, also known as ear cones or honey cones, might sound like a natural remedy, but they pose risks of burns, ear canal punctures, and even death. The FDA has issued multiple warnings against these dangerous products. Deep cleaning tools, while well-intentioned, can cause more harm than good. It can cut the ear canal or push that earwax even further. Instead, rely on the gentle methods we've already discussed. Sharp objects like bobby pins and straightened paper clips may seem convenient, but they can lead to bleeding and infection. Let's stick to safer alternatives. Who should avoid DIY ear cleaning? People with diabetes or those on blood thinners have a higher risk of bleeding, so it's best to seek professional help for ear cleaning. If you experience persistent ear pain or hearing loss, don't try to clean your ears. Instead, consult a doctor. They'll determine if the issue is due to earwax or another problem that requires medical attention. You might be wondering, what about my AirPods? How often should I clean them? Good rule of thumb is to clean your AirPods after every 2 to 3 months of usage. More frequent cleaning might be necessary if you use them daily. Luckily, Apple provides official guidance on how to do this. Apple's recommendation: use a dry, lint-free cloth or slightly damp cloth to clean both the outside of the case and earbuds. Remember, no soap or liquid, especially near the speaker grill. Avoid submerging the AirPods or case in water. For the mesh area of the AirPods, you can use a dry cotton swab or soft bristled brush. If you own AirPods Pro, the included ear tips are designed to be rinsed with water. Again, no soap. Once cleaned, shake off any excess water and let them air dry. AirPods Max owners, here's your guide to cleaning the cushions. Use a mild detergent mixed with water and a soft cloth to clean the ear cushions. However, avoid getting any liquids near the electronics. Now, let's share a CNET hack for stubborn gunk. Fun tack, yes, this adhesive putty is handy for AirPods. Press it onto the speaker mesh to lift any wax or dirt. To dislodge stuck debris, try a wooden toothpick. Be careful not to scratch the surface. Here's what to avoid with AirPods. Q-tips will only smear that wax and dirt deeper into your earbuds. Steer clear of sharp metal tools as they can scratch the mesh or speaker grill, causing sound distortion. Alcohol and cleaning wipes are fine, but only for exterior surfaces. Don't apply them to the speaker mesh. Doing so can cause long-term damage. A bonus tip: disinfect your AirPods with 70% isopropyl wipes. But again, use them lightly and let your AirPods dry completely before putting them back in your ears or a charging case. What about earplugs? If you wear earplugs regularly, it's crucial to clean them as they can accumulate earwax, dirt, and dead skin cells. The good news is that most earplugs are washable. Simply rinse them under warm water for a few minutes, then pat them dry. If your earplugs are not washable, consider replacing them with a fresh pair. Remember, prevention is key. If you want to avoid the hassle of dealing with excessively dirty earbuds, consider wearing a set of foam ear tips. These tips are washable and reusable, making them an excellent choice for regular users. Final takeaways: ears. Let them self-clean. Only step in if the buildup causes issues like hearing problems or discomfort. AirPods. Clean them gently and regularly. Preserve sound quality and hygiene. Never insert objects into your ear canal or AirPod speakers. What do you think of our ear and AirPod cleaning tips? Share your thoughts below. And hey, check out our tech reviews, tips, and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.